Welcome to the world of skin rejuvenation. I'm Dr. Jeniffer Song, a board-certified plastic surgeon in Korea, specializing in facial rejuvenation and facial restoration. Modern, trendy, and up-to-date aesthetic techniques have evolutionized with scientific upgrades in order to fit into the fast-adapting needs of our generation. These remarkable industrial supports have led to another era of anti-aging, as to picking up with more detailed, specific, and more result-effective procedures. Common denominator of aging skin was profoundly focused on generalized collagen stimulation, and over the years, practitioners have concentrated their clinical studies mainly in collecting collagens for the purpose of regaining skin hydration and volumization to improve skin texture. Although these are true facts and huge project we need to resolve in time, however, if we take a step further into the missing piece of our knowledge, initiation of skin laxity, the animating fine wrinkles and volume sagging, naturally relates to the natural decline of elastin level. Elastin is a key structure, the protein responsible for skin recoiling and elasticity and resilience. A critical element which we have overlooked, more intimate factor we need to resolve to meet our patients' needs. This is why Elastin Care, developed by Elastic Lab, represents a breakthrough in next-generation skin rejuvenation, a treatment specifically designed to stimulate endogenous elastin production and restore skin's youthful elasticity. As the demand for non-invasive and minimally invasive anti-aging treatments grow, it is crucial to move beyond temporary skin hydration and volumization. Elastin Care is a scientifically advanced approach that targets the fundamental cause of aging, the elastin degradation. Key benefits of Elastin Care as an anti-aging treatment: first, restores skin elasticity, activates elastin and collagen synthesis within the extracellular matrix, leading to firmer and more resilient skin. Second, it prevents and reduces wrinkles, enhancing the skin's ability to recoil, smoothing fine lines and wrinkles over time. The third, improves skin density and texture, strengthens the dermal foundation, and reduces skin thinning and crepiness. Fourth, accelerates cellular regeneration, stimulates fibroblast activity for improved tissue repair and recovery. Fifth, prolongs the effects of other aesthetic treatments, enhances longevity of fillers, laser resurfacing, and energy-based treatments. Clinical studies have demonstrated that Elastic Lab's Elastin Care technology increases elastin production by 300% and collagen by 200%, leading to a 23.4% improvement in skin elasticity. Unlike conventional fillers or biostimulators that primarily induces collagen remodeling or deposition, Elastin Care provides a true regenerative effect, helping the skin restore its natural biochemical properties. While Elastin Care is a powerful standalone anti-aging solution, it also plays a vital role in enhancing the outcome of surgical aesthetic procedures. For pre-treatment preparations, it strengthens the dermal matrix before surgical or non-invasive manipulation of skin flaps, ensuring better tissue support and more natural results. And also after treatment, for recovery, it accelerates wound healing, minimizes swelling, and reduces fibrous scar formation, beneficial in recovery phase of laser resurfacing and RF microneedling and chemical peeling. And it also improves surgical outcomes as well. In facelift, in the blepharoplasty, the total aesthetic surgical procedures, enhances elastin levels and helps the soft tissue to remodel and adapt more naturally, minimizing the discrepancy between the treated versus the non-treated areas. By incorporating molecular elemental support, especially with Elastin Care before and after procedure, we can deliver our patients with more fundamental approach in healthier and more youthful, glowing skin. Elastin Labs Elastin Care is an innovative, scientifically supportive solution that directly addresses the core issue of elastin degradation and aging. It definitely is an essential element in improving skin quality for patients and practitioners seeking the next generation approach in aesthetic. Elastin Lab Elastic Care technology will become the cornerstone of modern skincare.